How to read WhatsApp messages without seen. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, let me go ahead and teach you a easy hack. For this, you can go ahead and open up your phone settings. From here, head over and click on apps. Tap on the all apps option and search for WhatsApp. In here, what you need to do is click on the notification option. Here you should find the option of all chat notification. Make sure to toggle it on. After this, what will happen is if someone messages you on your WhatsApp, you can simply scroll down your notification center and easily read out the message without having the seen tick mark or the seen notification. So this is a clever hack. If the feature is not available in your device, there is another one that you can try. So once you have received a message, just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Then open up your WhatsApp. From here, open up the chat. Then after a thorough read, go ahead and head back from it. Then again, go ahead and open up your Wi-Fi connection. Now you'll be able to read the message offline and also without the seen option. So these are some of the hacks to read WhatsApp messages without seen. Hopefully you found this informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.